Welcome to Swayam course on CAD CAM. I am Dr. K. Tabalmanan, Associate Professor, Mechanical Engineering, School of Engineering and Technology, Indira Gandhi National Open University, New Delhi. Today we are going to discuss the topic on flexible manufacturing system. Flexible manufacturing system is denoted as FMS. FMS is basically a process which is used to helps to computer controlled manufacturing systems, integrates the automated production machines and material handling equipments. Basically, it's a computer controlled manufacturing system which helps to integrate the automated production machines as with material handling equipments, so that its machines and equipments it integrates through the computer controlled manufacturing system is called flexible manufacturing systems. And the flexible manufacturing system is designed to be flexible so that it can fabricate a variety of different products at relatively low volumes. FMS is an integrated approach to automate the production in industries. So FMS is an integrated approach, so that which helps to make the industry as a automated industries. The competition in the global market has compelled the manufacturers to reduce the delivery times. So that due to the competition in the global market, the manufacturers need to reduce the delivery times and for the competitive price. So in that case, the flexible manufacturing systems to helps the manufacturers to reduce the delivery times, as well as to helps to quote the competitive prices according to the market strategy and market prices, even if it is small order also. Also, to meet specific customer requirements, considerable inflexibility in the manufacturing system is to be required for small batch sizes also. The flexible manufacturing cells and flexible manufacturing systems have been evolved to meet the requirements. So it has to be evaluated based on that to meet the various requirements. There are various components are involved in the flexible manufacturing systems, such as computer controlled manufacturing equipments, automated material storage, transport and transfer system, computer control systems, and human labor. These are the major components to play the important role in flexible manufacturing systems. So computer controlled manufacturing equipments and automated material storage, transport and transfer system, and computer control systems, which comes under the flexibility systems. In flexibility systems, have control the workstations and computer numerical machines. Also, it's control and coordinate the various material handling equipments and systems, such as material handling, robots, transfer equipment, automated storage and retrieval equipments. Computer also involved in the computer control systems, such as real-time control, which helps to control the different activities in the manufacturing system, and so on. So that flexible manufacturing systems components plays a very very important role in the manufacturing systems to produce various components and products. Computer controlled manufacturing equipment. So that the computer controlled manufacturing equipment is called as workstation or processing stations. The major workstations are computer numerical control machines tools for machining operations. The CNC machine tools which helps for various machining operations in the major workstations. The other types of processing equipments, such as which includes inspection stations, which is helping for inspecting the various elements in the stations, various parameters in the stations, and assemble the various products and parts in the stations, and sheet metal operations in the station. So also this comes under this component, such as called computer control manufacturing equipment. A transfer system is to be load and unload the machines, which helps to the load and unload the machines. The industrial robots and fixtures also used to transport the machines and various products in the manufacturing system. automated material storage, transport, and material transfer system. The following important operations of material handling system in a flexible manufacturing system, such as a flexible manufacturing system needs several material handling systems to serve the machines. So one flexible manufacturing systems needs there are a variety of material handling systems or equipments which is required to serve the various operations in the machines. A transport system to move work pieces from one place to another place or inside to outside with the help of flexible manufacturing systems. The overhead conveyors, gantry systems, and automated guided vehicles also used for material transfer in the manufacturing systems. The various types of automated material handling equipments are used to transport or work parts and sub-assemblies between the processing stations. The work parts and sub-assemblies of various components and parts or machines, which helps to automatically to transfer the materials or equipments from one station to another stations with the help of automated material handling equipments. Sometimes it includes automatic storage and retrieval system also. So the most of the time that the system itself have the automated storage and retrieval system. Whenever that is required of the materials or components or parts, it's stored or automatically retrieved from the systems. The buffer storage system for queues of workpieces at the machines. So it also helps to the buffer storage system for the queues of workpieces at the machines in the manufacturing operations or manufacturing systems. The parallel systems are used to reduce the queues and ideal time of the machines. The parallel system which helps to reduce the queues as well as ideal time of the machines in the manufacturing system. Next, the computer control systems. The computers are used to control and coordinate the various activities of the various processing stations and material handling system in the FMS. So in FMS, which computers plays a very important role in which is control and coordinate. This it's more helps to control as well as coordinate the various activities of the various processing stations as well as material handling system. These control systems must also integrate the other computer systems if existing in the factory or industry. So the control system which helps to integrate the one system to another computer systems in the industry. The flexible manufacturing systems must also communicate with the following systems. So the FMS system helps to communicate one system to other systems, one systems to each and every systems which helps to communicate the various data and other informations by using flexible manufacturing system. Next, human labor is another important parameters. Human beings are required for the following operation of flexible manufacturing systems. So that machines alone not helps to work in the FMS. Also, the human labor also is plays an important role in the flexible manufacturing system in different operations, such as loading of raw materials into the systems, unloading of finished components from the systems, changing and setting tools. So change of tools or setting the proper tools by human persons, and maintenance of the various equipments and machines, and need to feed the programming in the workstations, and need to control the whole operation in the manufacturing systems. These are the operations is performed by the human labor. There are various manufacturing equipments which helps in the flexible manufacturing systems, which include the following types of machines such as machining centers, turning centers, head changers, head indexers, assembly workstations, inspection stations, and various special purpose stations. These are the components which are used in the FMS system. So under the computer control system, which generate the CNC programs for the machine tools. So the computer control systems, it generate the CNC program which is used to machine the various operations in the machine system, in the machine tools. The shop floor control systems which schedules loading and routing of the work. So the computer which helps in the shop floor control in various operations such as schedules the loading and routing of the work. The MIS system which provides the management with reports on the performance of the system. The management information system which provides the various management activities with proper reports of the performance of the system. The operations are controlled with the help of supervisory computers connected by the LAN network. Computer control system integrates several subsystems which includes CNC systems, support system controller, material handling system controller, monitoring and sensing devices, data communication systems, data collection system, programmable logic controllers, and supervisory computers. These are the components which are integrate the several subsystems with the flexible manufacturing system. The flexible manufacturing systems layout, which is helps to the material handling system form the FMS layout. The different layouts for material handling system such as inline layout, loop layout, ladder layout, open field layout, robot centered cell layout. These are the layouts which is used to material handling systems in the material flexible manufacturing systems. There are various types of flexible manufacturing systems used in the industry, such as flexible manufacturing cells, flexible turning cells, flexible transfer lines, flexible machining systems. Next, the intelligent manufacturing systems. The intelligent manufacturing system is the one which computer-based artificial intelligence techniques, which is plays an important role in intelligent manufacturing systems and which is used to substitute the human beings in the decision-making process of manufacturing systems. So during the manufacturing, the decision-making is a very important parameters. So in that decision-making, it's substituted by artificial intelligence techniques in place of human. So that here artificial intelligence is a techniques is a plays an important role in the substitution of humans for various decision making process of manufacturing in the industry. Also, the artificial intelligence that facts are organized in systematic manner. As per the logic laid down computer makes decision or help the human with the advice to make decisions. So that the logic laid down by computer it makes decision as well as help the human with advice to make the decisions. Either it's itself it's create the it's develop or produce the decisions, makes a decision, or it helps to human to take the decision. The various fields of artificial intelligence related to manufacturing are such as export system, computer vision, robotics, voice recognition, neural networks, and fuzzy logic. These are the various fields the artificial intelligence related and involved in the manufacturing process. The expert system. The expert system is a software package which includes the knowledge base in different specialized area. So that it's called knowledge based expert system. Capacity to probe knowledge base and making decisions. It's having the own capacity to probe the knowledge as well as making the different decisions in the manufacturing. The function of expert system is different from ordinary computer activity. So the expert system works is totally different from the ordinary computer activities. Expert system receives information and analyzes it and gives out solution to the query. So the each and every query or each and every problems, if the expert system is receive the informations and it go for various types of analysis and to find out the solution for the particular problem or query. The expert systems in manufacturing, which is an interpreter to analyze the information got and image processing. So the information got from the image through the by image processing, which is able to interpret and analyze the informations. and provide the proper solutions. As we predicted to estimate the tool wear. So that expert system helps to predict the estimate the tool wear. So that time required for the tool wear can be estimated by the experts knowledge based expert system as a diagnosis to identify the fault of the machines. So they can diagnose the various faults which is identified in the machines. So the expert system is helps to diagnose the various faults in the machines. As a designer to design engineering components. So it helps to designer to design the engineering components in different aspects. As a planner to plan the process. So also it helps to planner to plan the various manufacturing process. As a monitor to control the production. It helps in the monitor to control the various activities in the production unit or manufacturing systems. Expert system also helps in the various process planning activities. In process planning is a systematic determination of the methods by which product is to be manufactured economically and competitively it involves. So that the process planning, the knowledge-based expert system is plays the important role, which is used to determination of the various methods which is to be used for the to produce the or manufacture the product economically as well as competitively by using the knowledge-based expert systems, which involves various process in the process planning, such as selection of process, selection of machines, selection of tools, and selection of various operation and make it the proper sequence of the manufacturing. Calculation of feed, calculation of speed, and calculation of tolerance and various cost for the manufacturing the products. Also, which knowledge-based expert systems helps to prepare the documentation form of instructions for the manufacturing of the products. An expert system supports the manufacturing with the help of design data available from the CAD systems. So the design data is available in the CAD systems, the knowledge-based expert system which supports the various manufacturing activities in the manufacturing system. Artificial intelligence and machine visions which is involved in the various industrial activities such as automatic inspection, automatic guidance of material handling systems. So it's for the inspection it helps automatically. Also it's provide the guidance to the various material handling systems. Also it's control various aspects in manufacturing systems. All these activities involve a system of relational matching and decision making. The vision system collects the scene and expert system matches or scene and makes the decisions accordingly. The vision system is collect the scene and matches the what happens in the expert systems. Also it's the matches the scene and max what decisions in the expert systems. So that it's matches the both aspects and both parameters by using the knowledge based expert systems. Also the knowledge artificial intelligence based scheduling in computer integrated manufacturing environment. The scheduling is basically a process of allocating time for various activities of the job considering the availability of man, machine and delivery time. So in that delivery process, the artificial intelligence is based scheduling which is helps to specify and plan the various activities of the job which consider the availability of man, machine and delivery time. The expert system does this within no time and same is required aspect for the sim with the number of job in process and number of jobs in queue waiting for the process. The knowledge based system which is need to identify the number of job in the process and number of jobs in the queue waiting for the process. So that based on this knowledge based expert system, within no time and the same is required aspect for the computer integrated manufacturing systems. In the sim environment, the computer integrated manufacturing environment, there are series of decision makings which ranges from job acceptance, planning and scheduling to the process, man, and machine development. So that there are series of decision makings involved in the computer integrated manufacturing environment, which is ranges of the various job acceptance, planning, and scheduling the various activities such as process, man, and machine development. Also, there must be a coordination of various decision making activities. For such expert system is most suitable for this computer integrated manufacturing environment. There are various benefits of flexible manufacturing systems, such as reduce the cycle time. The cycle time has been reduced by using the flexible manufacturing systems. Lower work in process inventory. So that work in process inventory has been reduced by using the FMS. Low direct labor cost. The direct labor cost has been reduced. Ability to change over to different parts quickly. So the change of parts, it's quickly it possible. The quality of product has been improved. So the equipment and resources is effectively utilized. The quicker response to the market changes. So according to the market changes, the response has been quickly happened. The space requirement has been reduced. It's have ability to optimize loading and throw for machines. Extendability of for additional process or added capacity. It have the capability to extend the expandability of various additional process or added capacity. Reduced number of tools and machines required. So it helps to reduce the number of tools as well as number of machines is required. So also the cost has been reduced. Motivation for designers to add variations and features to meet customer requirements. It helps to motivate the designers to make the lot of changes, lot of variations, and make the lot of features in the design to meet the customer requirements. It's compatible with the computer integrated manufacturing. There are various softwares are used in the flexible manufacturing systems such as Fusion 360, Solid Edge, HSM, SolidWorks CAM, CAMWorks, NextCam, GibbsCam, PowerMill, MeshCam, OneCNC, MasterCam. Let us, so far we have covered the various topics in flexible manufacturing systems, such as what is flexible manufacturing systems, various components in flexible manufacturing systems, computer controlled manufacturing equipments, automated material storage, transport and transfer systems, computer control systems, human labor, flexible manufacturing layout, types of flexible manufacturing systems, benefits of flexible manufacturing systems, and introduction to intelligent manufacturing systems. So that learners, we have different reference books for further reading, such as Automation Production Systems, Computer Integrated Manufacturing, authored by Michael B. Groover, British All India Limited, CAD-CAM Sim, Radhakrishnan P., New Age International Publishers, CAD-CAM Groover, Michael B. Zimmers, Emery W., the Apprentice All India Limited, CAD-CAM Principle and Application, Rao P.N., Tata McGraw-Hill Education Private Limited, Mastering of CAD-CAM, Ibrahim Said, Tata McGraw-Hill Education Limited. These are the books helps for further readings in the subject CAD-CAM. Learners, thanks for patient listening.